Good morning, students. Dear students, in previous classes, I had explained three branches of SST and three branches of history: ancient, medieval, and modern history. So, dear students, now I am coming on the point that some important definition like this. First is historian. Second is debate. Third is periodization. Four is ancient. Fifth is archives. Sixth is calligraphs. So, dear students, historians, you know very well that what do you mean by historian? What do you mean by historians? So that's who has knowledge in about history, that is known as historian. Yeah, you can say that one who writes about the events of the past, how things were and how they changed. Yani these types persons are known as historian. Understand? Now second, debate. You know very well that it is very famous word, debate. Like this, you have seen in news channel that debates are going on in schools. Two students and grouping in group students are creating debates. Students are participating in debate, so that you can say that discussion on any important topic of public interest, it is known as debate. Understand? Now periodization, pounding any event into periods. Periodization यानी like this you can say that मुगल शासक बाबर का कार्यकाल कब से कब तक का रहा, तो उसका ये पीरियडाइजेशन बताएगा कि इतने काल से इतने काल तक बाबर का रहा। बाबर के पुत्र हुमायूं, हुमायूं का पुत्र अकबर, अकबर का पुत्र ये शाहजहां, शाहजहां का पुत्र जागीर, जागीर का पुत्र औरंगजेब। लाइक दिस, इस प्रकार से जो है पीरियडाइजेशन चलेगा। अंडरस्टैंड? नाउ आई एम कमिंग एंशिएंट। एंशिएंट मीन्स वेरी वेरी ओल्ड, बहुत बहुत पुराना, यानी यू कैन से दैट्स एंशिएंट इन वेरी ओल्ड। ओके, सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आपको इस प्रकार से समझना है। नाउ आई एम कमिंग आर्चीव्स। ए प्लेस, आर्चीव्स का मतलब क्या होता है? ए प्लेस वेयर हिस्टोरिकल डॉक्यूमेंट्स और रिकॉर्ड्स ऑफ ए गवर्नमेंट एंड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन आर कॉल्ड आर्चीव्स। अंडरस्टैंड? एनी कंफ्यूजन? Yes, I hope that you are understanding very well. Dear students, I have make a PDF file notes and send in a Scholar app, so that you have to mention in notebook. Understand? Ab now next is calligraphs. Calligrapher, who is known as calligrapher? One who is specialized in the art of beautiful writing. Yani calligrapher who has a lot of knowledge of writing is known as calligrapher, who can write very well. It is known as, it is called as calligrapher. Understand? So these are defined. बच्चों, you have to mention in your notebook. Understand? Define, you have to do in book. Yes. Now India is in 18th century. India is in 18th century. India is in 18th century. Dear students, East India Company was established in 1600 and at before Dutch, Spanish, Portuguese had come in India and they have started their trade. But now when East India Company has established in 1600 in India, East India Company started a new company in Surat city. Now Surat is in Gujarat. Surat is a city of Gujarat. So that's because there is Arabian Sea. Arabian Sea is located near the Gujarat. So that's permission granted of navigation, and they can take easily raw material to creating a new things. That's why they had established a company in Surat. Understand? The 18th century was a period of the worst kind. Then the once mighty Mughal Empire was crumbling and regional kingdoms were fighting for supremacy amongst themselves. They were trying to establish their own authority and viewing more power over the native, regional and kingdoms. Dear students, 18वीं शताब्दी में मुगलों की जो ताकत थी उसमें थोड़ा सा अंतर देखने को मिला था, क्योंकि इधर साउथ इंडिया में मैसूर was a kingdom. Mysore was a kingdom and Hyder Ali was a ruler of Mysore, and their son Tipu Sultan was a great emperor of Mysore after his father Hyder Ali. Yes, so the death of Aurangzeb in 1707. Aurangzeb died in 1707. Question is coming, suppose that when did Aurangzeb die? So you can say Aurangzeb died in 1707. Understand? The state of Hyderabad founded by Nizam ul Mulk Ashraf Jah in 1724. Bengal became a free state under the able leadership of Murshid Quli Khan. Yani like this you can say that Murshid Ali Khan was a ruler of Bengal. Awadh gained independence in 1722. Awadh was freedom in 1722. Now I am coming Mysore. Hyder Ali was a famous ruler of Mysore. Hyderabad and Mysore become powerful in South India. Sources से पहले मैं थोड़ा सा बताना चाहूँगा बच्चों कि इंडिया इज इन 18th सेंचुरी. भारत 18वीं शताब्दी में किस मुकाम पे आ गया था? इधर मैसूर के जो राजा थे हैदर अली, उनके बाद जो है टीपू सुल्तान ने जब गद्दी संभाली तो उसका प्रभुत्व इतना शक्तिशाली हो गया, उधर हैदराबाद का जो निजाम था, इन्होंने अंग्रेजों के खिलाफ बगावत कर दी, मुसलमानों के खिलाफ, और धीरे धीरे जो है इंडिया बिकेम पावरफुल। यानी लाइक दिस यू कैन से कि अंग्रेज अब जो मुस्लिम इन्वेडर थे, इंग्लिश इन्वेडर थे, ये धीरे धीरे परास्त होने लगे और इन्होंने अब वापस जाने का मन बना लिया। यानी लाइक दिस यू कैन से दैट्स बिफोर 15th August 1947 we were slavery in British regime, यानी ब्रिटिश शासन काल के अधीन थे हम सभी भारतीय, और we are slavery of Britisher, understand? So dear students, after 15th August 1947 we were free from Britisher and our country became independent in 15th August 1947. Then our constitution became 26 November 1949, sorry. And I am denoting to all students, listen, please listen carefully, because a dispatch of Lahore by the first president or by the first prime minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was lecturing in Lahore Adhivesion. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru declared Purna Swaraj on that day was 26 Jan. So that's our leaders thought and they adopted that day 26 Jan. 26 November our constitution was ready, but it was implemented in all over India 26 Jan 1950. So India is a sovereign country, you can say, and now in this present time you are seeing the condition of our country. Thank you so much. Today next topic I will take in next class. Thank you so much.